Sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Jeep Compass. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including an outside temperature display, a roof rack, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.